Hey guys, starting with SprayGunner here to make sure that you know about this end of the year deal. There's a new 2023 end of the year edition, Infinity 2-in-1, actually that's what it is, even packaged this way. It's called CHAMELEON, but basically it is Infinity CR+ 2-in-1, which historically always were $320 as their market cost. Now these are limited edition. If I understood 100% correctly, we're gonna have 50 of each for our market, for us. It's gonna be limited, it's beautiful, we have 4 options to choose from, and if you don't need another airbrush, you might want to use it as a Christmas ornament. Like, just look at that, you can put it on a tree and just enjoy it. $300 is the standard price right now for America, and before Christmas, because we want to have presents before Christmas, we're gonna have an additional promotion. We're gonna have this set, it's a 4682-01 candy colors by Createx. We're gonna include it for free with the code anodized23. So what you need to do is put the code at checkout and make sure both items, so one of those airbrushes and this set, is in your cart. And the reason I chose this color, because you can achieve anodized looks while painting with it. It has silver base, pretty much your sealant, and you can mix those candy colors, 3 of them, to create anodized look of your finish. It's pretty cool, you should try. So that's why we include this paint. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you like the deal. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.